Hi, this is Keith and welcome back to our tutorial series on a one-page website using the Builderall platform. We're going to be continuing on with the mobile edits of this, and we're working in the Our Trainers panel. Where we left off the last time was when I was trying to edit the mobile site for this particular text element. I'm on the finished website now, so you'll see everything correctly here, and then we're going to go over to the site that we're editing. But anyways, you click on the pencil icon, and you click over here under General Settings. Now, under General Settings, if this, on the desktop portion, if we have it set to a certain font family, or basically like an H1 tag or something like that, and you'll see it in a second, then you'll see that this item here, property size on mobile, will appear. It won't appear if we don't have it set properly, and I'll show you that in a second. So if we go over to our site that we're going to edit, this is the desktop view. So if I click on here, there's two ways that we could do this. We could either select this icon here, which is a large content editor is what it's called, or we could double click inside this element and it brings up this like little toolbar. And if you see under styles here, currently it's set to heading above here, and what we want to do is we want to set it to a neutral paragraph or any one of these neutral elements here, but since this is a paragraph, we're going to select neutral paragraph. But before we do that, I want to show you what is happening in the mobile view. Give it a second to load up. Okay, let's scroll up here. Let's go over here to this element. Let me scroll down here. Okay, let's edit this. So see under General Settings now, we don't have that property size on mobile here. And that, again, that's because we don't have the proper H1 tag or paragraph tag set on the desktop view. So we're going to go over here first, go to the desktop, and we'll change all these all at once so we don't have to come back to it and re-edit it. Okay, let's scroll up here. So we're just going to make sure all these are set properly, and I'll show you both using the large content editor and the other way I showed you just before. So if we select the large content editor, remember this text is white, and right now it's on a white background, so what you need to do is take your cursor and highlight the text here. Give it a second here. There we go. It's way over here. Okay, but this one's already set to neutral paragraph, so we're fine on that one. I'm going to discard because I don't want to make changes. I'm going to go over here. Okay, now we go over styles. And since it's set to heading, we want to set it to neutral paragraph. Click on Save. Now we're going to make sure the rest of these are set properly also. And I'll do it a different way. We're going to double click on it. We're going to highlight it. but it's already set to neutral paragraph, so we're fine there. This one's probably set the same way. And I don't know why I didn't do this before creating the site, but anyways, we're going to do this. We're going to highlight it, select styles, and we're going to come down here. Let me double highlight it. Oh, give me a second here. And we're going to select neutral paragraph, as you can see here. Okay, we're going to do the same thing here. Highlight it, select neutral paragraph. Highlight it, and it's already set to neutral paragraph, so we're fine. Oops. There we go. So we'll just go ahead and just save these changes, and then we'll go back to the mobile view. Okay, we'll select the mobile view on the upper left. Give it a second. Okay, there we go. We're refreshed. Okay, now let's go over here. Let's go back to this site, the finished site. I'm going to double check the font size. It's 18. And under advanced, everything's 5, top and bottom are set to 0. Okay, now this property appears. We'll adjust it to 18. And the advanced, okay, everything's set okay. Okay, let's now let's go back here. The next person is this individual, so we're going to move this up here. Remember, we have to select the entire box element. That includes not only the image, but these individual text elements. So we're going to do that, move it up. Okay. Again, let's set the box element. Let's go over here. See what the properties are set to. It looks like all 5s and bottom is set to 30. Okay, everything's set fine here. Lateral spacing, bottom is set to 30. Okay. The image, let's just copy what this image is. 330, 500. Everything's set to 5. Okay, everything's set there. Remember, this image also has a box element. Let's selecting, let's see, Control Plus on a PC. Okay. I'm just checking things over here. Let's do this. There we go. I think everything, oh yeah, it is 1139, 657. There we go. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, so we want to select the box element that surrounds these other elements here. Let's scroll down. Set it. So 30 and 30 there. Let's zoom out again. Let's double check this. See what it looks like over here. Okay. Set to 25. Advanced 0. Okay, the top is set to 0, and it's 18. Okay. Let's just double check something here. Okay. All right. On the next video, we'll continue on with the Art Trainers panel, and we'll finish it up. And then we'll start working on the next panel. I want to thank you for stopping by today, and I appreciate your patience, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.